Should I say catch you later since you're the big tuna?
Oh, okay. I'm the big tuna?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, I am the big tuna. COVID's been good on me. That's my younger brother.
No, it's my dad.
That's my younger brother.
So they say.
Oh.
COVID 39.
I gained the COVID-19, that's for sure. Alright, come on, we gotta lose some weight for Rocky Mountain Race Week though.
Yeah, we gotta go faster. We're gonna need all the
Woo,
help.
that's worth it.
We're gonna need all the help we can get. I don't know what I was gonna say now.
I don't know what you're gonna say either. I was just gonna jump in and
Jump in.
say we got this for our Supra, our 1980 Supra, the 2GR-FE. So we're just gonna do a little unboxing on it. We'll go over the specs a little bit. And some of you may be familiar with this. I know a few 2GRs out there right now are already running this.
FEs.
Yeah, 2GR-FEs.
I wonder how many FSCs?
I don't know.
The first?
Anybody out there have running
FSC?
this? FSC, not a lot of big difference.
A little better.
But,
Oh, cool.
all right. Let's open it up, see
Let's
what's
open it
inside
up.
the box. Sean Boxer. We got here a little sheet.
Yeah, that's all the specs.
Sweet.
All the specs. All the specs. The Carta Garaganchi Gina, otherwise known as the Uwaga. What is this? It's all in the wrong language.
Oh, okay. Well,
Alright, sorry.
well, it's Polish, isn't
It's
it?
wrote in EMU.
I thought
They wrote it in EMU.
it's EMU. I thought this was from Krakow. It is.
Okay.
Polish.
Here's the main beast. Here's the main
The beast.
love.
Yes.
Nice CNC warranty sticker. Pins.
Pins, lots of pins.
All your pins. Laminated.
I got a little wiring diagram.
Yeah.
It's just kind of your pin outs, I guess.
How to read.
And your ins and outs.
Oh, some resistors. Fancy. And what are these are for?
We'd have to read up on that.
Yes.
All right. So the reason we went with the EMU Black, one of the largest reasons is the cost. We're on a budget.
My cost.
Yeah, we're on a budget. So, and we wanted something that would be drive-by-wire. That was one of our requirements. So this has drive-by-wire. We do have VVTi on all 4 cams. This only will do 2 cams. So we're gonna put it on the intake cams. I did already email them, and they indicated you could do some sort of pulse width modulation to get it to work. They had some strategy. I don't know if anybody out there is doing that already. If you are, leave a comment below. We'd like to hear what you came up with. If not, I guess we're gonna be the guinea pigs and try to figure it out. It's got 8 injector outputs, 6 ignition outputs. What else good? Host other, it's got a built-in map sensor. I believe it's a 4-bar too. It's got flex fuel input. I think too it's got direct inputs for your wideband O2 sensor.
Yes.
So you can pretty much hook it right up and it will read it. Yeah, Lambda, Bosch 4.2 or 4.9. I've read the 4.9's a little newer, something a little faster reacting or something. I forget what it is. I'll have to research it. It's been 20 years since I installed a standalone, so things have changed since then in the intervening 20 years. But
Color TVs.
oh yeah, color TVs. Oh, what else do we got though? Fuel, obviously 2 channels of knock sensing, drive-by-wire.
Traction control.
There's traction control, boost control, obviously.
Engine protection.
Flex fuel. What else? you know, some other things. A lot of features you want to read up on it. I know you're probably already reading this. I mean, a few of you are already running this. You know, I've heard nothing pretty much but good things about it. Bang for the buck. You paid, what did you pay for this?
$1,100.
Yeah, $1,100. They do make this comes with little terminals, but they kind of come with a semi-universal wiring loom that we're going to use. It's like $150.
Yeah, I don't think this does data logging to SD card. I think you have to have it hooked up, correct?
Yeah, don't they have a wireless, like?
You have to get a little add-on if you wanted the SD card. There's a lot of add-ons.
Yeah, there's some add-ons, lots of things you can upgrade with if you go to the site. Yeah, what else?
It's small. It's pretty small.
Yeah, it's pretty small.
Only one hole. I don't know why that is. Great for mounting.
What else do we got? Trying to think of what else. I don't know. It's about it.
You should have studied more before this video.
Yeah, we should. Well, we're new to it, so we're gonna wire it up though. We'll do some other videos of us wiring it once we get it running. If you're already running this, leave some comments below. Let us know what you think of it, especially if you're running it on a Toyota product. I know this is also popular for the 2JZ, so.
Please share your field map.
Yeah, so, yeah. We'll,
free software too, of course.
Yeah, there's no additional like software charge. I will say, I emailed them about a question already I had about the VVTi control, and you know, they emailed me back within 1 day, so you know, that's a good early sign.
Good early sign.
So we'll see. We'll install her and we'll let you know how that goes. We'll do 2 videos on it, right? Sound good, Kev?
Sounds great.
All right.
Big tuna.
Catch you later.
We'll come.
All right.
For our video. This is the Nerd Lab.
Welcome to the Nerd Lab.
My dad didn't use a coaster for his thing on my new desk.
Okay, we need this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die. All right.